Banana bread. Mash banana, add flour, sugar, and cinnamon. Microwave for 90 seconds. Funfetti birthday. Mix vanilla batter with sprinkles, microwave 1 minute, top with icing and more sprinkles. Chocolate chip cookie. Stir butter, sugar, flour, and chips, then microwave for 1 minute. Apple cinnamon. Stir applesauce with cinnamon and batter, then microwave for 90 seconds. Nutella lava. Mix simple batter, add a spoon of Nutella, and microwave until fluffy with a molten center. Cinnamon roll. Stir flour, sugar, cinnamon, and milk, then swirl more cinnamon. Microwave for 90 seconds. Berry oat. Mix oats, berries, milk, and maple syrup, then microwave for a soft breakfast-style cake. Peanut butter. Mix peanut butter, milk, sugar, and flour, then microwave until fluffy. S'mores. Layer graham crumbs, chocolate, and marshmallows. Microwave until gooey and melty. Blueberry muffin. Mix flour, sugar, milk, oil, baking powder, and blueberries, then microwave until it rises.